Next up, we have the Hindu Kush Mountains. Read along as I read out loud, and then we'll go back and annotate. The Hindu Kush Mountains form a rugged barrier between the Indus River Valley and Afghanistan. This mountain range is not as tall as the Himalayas, but it is still one of the highest in the world. Some of its peaks are almost 5 miles high. Many parts of the mountain range are unlivable. Snow and ice permanently covered the steep slopes and peaks. The Khyber Pass forms a gap about 30 miles long in the mountains on the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. The pass connects Central Asia to the Indian subcontinent. For thousands of years, traders used the pass to enter the Indus River Valley. Invaders also used the pass, but many died in the mountain's unforgiving landscape. Okay, so as we go back through, we see that the Hindu Kush Mountains form a rugged barrier between the Indus River Valley and Afghanistan. Okay, and what does that word rugged mean? Rugged means having a rocky or uneven surface. Okay. And if we check out our map, we can see the Hindu Kush mountains are labeled here. So that is where they're located. In the first paragraph, we also read that while they're not quite as tall as the Himalayas, they are still one of the highest mountain ranges in the world. Okay, so we know they are rocky and uneven. They're also really tall. If we keep reading, we see that many parts of the mountain range are unlivable and that they're covered in snow and ice permanently. So from that first paragraph, we just get an idea of how, dangerous and difficult the terrain is. So think about how that might influence where people settled in ancient India. Now in the second paragraph, we learn about the Khyber Pass, which forms a gap in the mountain range, and it connects Central Asia to the Indian subcontinent. We learned that this pass was used by traders as well as invaders, but that many died in the mountain's unforgiving landscape. So we know there's dangerous terrain and that it's also difficult to travel.